Here, Alabo Odiare Christopher Princeville, Chairman Asarito Local Government Area.
Maribulate, Malabi one now, Missamabo, Amalibi Cosney, Akumago, and then here I come contain 10 and the pre.
Well, I tell you why I made a time no better. You know, every opportunity go get time no opportunity to pray. I begin Kromai made the governor of the state. Yes, of Wiki, you know, His Excellency, Sure and maybe because among all the people there now, Azake, me Europe go get and also at least Yerebe, if given the opportunity, I need to make a trouble. I mean, award me from the foundation. I need to watch shadow up. And since ever then, I began to make a book around red to make a book body to work on me make correct. 30 years, they classify from the report so far. And then 23 LG maybe il lucky RM not so Boriboso manifesto and a program of activity Ibo Ngadamongo Legim Bebe. And in there is like then in that manifesto, what I can see all share SHARE, SME or security. What got the security get trocotari, security to Furubanga, Ibienete Amasobia, and one number, while they can remember one environment may be smell labrabo, you know, a layman's may brand a more cambo smell labrabona. So Bohemian and a cardinal point was the center of attraction. And what of Bracken why and a jam because in Bemno so I'm at the Gabe, here example, may settlement. We have to go down to these our children. They both come out at the government. Inina Bolumate Equayana, Inina Yefi Boluma, Inina leg the meeting na Jaina Yesaka, and confident can I pretend not to hear. One ma to me, one at the Gikuma, and one I can balance here for me. Baby, the servant leader, Kebura Bube, or one of you read the one knock on Nakorate the Kazaka, you want to Brasate or Kona Metrocom. And since ever then, the end in our cooperative areas, Kalai, Wame Finja, Brass up in the Bisaka, Brass, ye met a big one of Mako, one with them in our leg, the Emir Buloma. So, me, I many confident in up them, Mokama, yes, Rabrabo. And then we me, Amude me, that be crobo, Tamnobrana, one year or Tamno get to Modi Google and finish and it's going to be permanent in this environment. So the lost glory of this environment called Asarito local government, we are known for peace setter, will return back to the land. Everybody will be let again. I'm a pro. Yeah, and then I should get them and suddenly be attracted. And then one of first thing. Then Ishmael meaning health. Health is very cardinal. Without missing word, all the global program. Okay. Okay. Ye bubo ma obrabo. Wa me ke WHO. Me si ambo bombe. Time to time, federal government, state government, partnership and that. Me bo gwa me goge. Ike LGA by LGA, community by community, company by company. Me na kona me goge. Wa ekpe kan daure dambo sa ge wan travel there. In na bo so me na kona me kore. You know, Bosakia, Masakia, we have run a lot of management. What on my can involved with the year. So in the matter to matter matter area no say man Terry and Smith na prepare na moko na different new way. One na mebo, what from in the involved with that, me na me here. Time to time, what begin boga ware management there. In this small bra, in this year bra, begin there. Tell man ni bi kalai na and then go work a program so that they kala and telemata begin na bia tanka. So I'm name one has qualifying LTB. No so one focus na already one or two ma health because health man net tumbo go game need you because health to for it so you even go back amonji katamongo le kora so I need to operate bia. So it's very key and important to all of us. And then Anjo. Then if you give me health man broke man. She am the group and then man agriculture. Obosake the areas like agricultural sector, enter local government maybe it be back wa mene cambio som for example wa nama batelin abusake munje ba nama ba abacho maybe na banga mo ba nama ba wa so mo dan te igo de ba na ba e me gbolo ni mi te kan teleme na pri mo un ba ta piquetu mo gi mo se yero amozo at least ene go ge anjo e na ma ba te ke na ma dere te ke to maya because na me important na we wa be ge mo wana poultry de wa na ora saga poultry wana da bobo ike by motarasi awapo na why na collaboration for red and get come wa mute bege on grand assessment okita iye bra na bege ni encourage ni bianga akwembe na China ke na so that in encourage mo ka me na kwa pa wa agriculture bio in their interest and very good Degematri Cluster Board as one of the best poultry farm within this our land mo territory maybe e do telabi me egbu akuma one LG me ke one abra fiji the environment me dan danger and begin the mass attract them gi sobote bo okusete opu farm well elaborate farm me fiji kruma wre and then papa agriculture buluma so me na me one abo important na because one atomi elem and atomi file mo da bala I can't do abra mijana minjongo na no anga but what land na wre because there is no family temunjo asaritori pakabote do kriya na family bua so kala bio awareness campaign na through sensitization na wa wana to me encourage that farm maybe in so kala bra crap na me sai at least an agriculture bio why te magi agriculture bro ma royal development and infrastructure na China to mogo ge human capital in the empowerment maybe now but na me fire go kini de break go ko te ba de o broke ya but ye kroma kuma ya me allo bi al shama ya sa mi ye kroma yo wa me ne pike ama member me dikelo ma de rem no so asaga ya na all 15 community wa bokore dokidere wa no so mu 15 community maybe before was so one assignation Angana bio me so find there. As I speak with you, electrification, the Kasaga Bokrabo, about 3 major community, Angulama, Emeke Tarama, light maybe a connect here, darkness beneath me. And what Bala Keka meaning Bala LG maybe an opportunity and going to Naples Simba. It doesn't be project book, everybody an enjoy in the mind and la. Tell you the way and Brana Angulama Muta. And the project left flag off to make sure that one light can happen. I'm not a main it's on ground, okay, I'm packing with to interview or with pictorial evidence. Here I'm not so. We have completed about 89% of that project. 89% of that project. Now, it's a light an hour. And okay, and the track community may do it. And I want a signature, I make it and Joe. Why I'm doing Gary Kunoma, I'll get the Gary. Sama the first community yaroke 3 dogaroke aside to so work ma and you want to be important back there one man do minji solar water system me flag off for it and the process all the technical arrangement has been completed. It's just to go and mount it and commission for the people to use the water because potable water is important now based on all these help them in Nigeria, Corolla and China to might be Mijibuek man and Brasa take begin me pereba to walk with the I am taking up the Pulubi Wapake and Kramawa. And you go to them make a lot to eat the workman Abalama. Why am I going to be work? I'm going to be here about the foundations I get the Kaka on the Macorite. And the one you want a man quotas. For maybe you're gonna put a brass again, environment, more especially security abuna Japana. One of the complaining and I book my Simango 49 good there. One Joe quotas, standard quotas, me, Namakruma deke, me in a prayer. Process no let the Wasaka, the Pulubri, Wabe Kramada and Commissioner. If you go on a secretary, he may dig bread. Well, now we're beginning now, but they are built so much time and anywhere not well. To me, Madame Bill Smith, begin space better available in Basia. And go there, what get him not so one expand the kuma. And you need a brass attack, pique, chabuzo, me accommodate to her. Mogwa begin Munju, executive chamber. Now begin chairman exclusive office now, me nama. teke pamiete kono makara bu bogun e be itle gbo sa e ba veranda bi o sa so ane wa peke kora go kono ma